everybody, what's going on? Happy New Year's, by the way. Today is Lunar New Year, so happy Lunar New Year to those who celebrate. Yes, I am supposed to be at home, but today me and my friend are taking a spontaneous trip to New York City because we are going to watch the Demon Slayer movie premiere. Why, you say? Why all the way New York? Because they are doing a world tour of the movie premiere and the Japanese voice actors are going to be there. So we took a spontaneous trip to New York City. Now I'm about to go pick up my friend and then we're going to head to Union Station. We're going to take a bus ride there and yeah, we'll be in New York. Probably just going to walk around for a couple hours before the movie starts. The movie's about 6, so we're going to head there early and you know, check it out. And hopefully the Japanese actors will be doing some signings. I got a Tanjiro action figurine, so hopefully they sign that. That'll be nice. But yeah, we'll see. We don't know what's going to be going on, so we're excited. I'm gonna go pick up my friend now and I'll see you guys there. What happened? What up, my guy?
Bonk. My guy. What's good, bro? I look like crap, but let's go. We're gonna look better in a little bit.
Man got the fro going on.
Looking like I'm a mess. Come on. What you doing? Here, hold something.
Union Station. Finally made it to New York. The bus ride felt long as hell.
We made it.
It felt like 6 hours on the bus.
My knees locking right now. My knees hurt. Not for any good reasons.
New York City. I haven't been to New York City in a while. Hope I don't get lost.
Last time I came here is with her.
Overall?
Like, I
Oh.
walked around this whole city for literally 6 hours with her on my shoulder.
Oh my god.
Because I was like, I want you to be full energy for the fight
Oh,
tomorrow.
like actually fighting.
And I
Oh.
held her on my shoulder the whole time.
Oh my god.
My neck was hurting. And I was like this. Yeah, Kayla. Good job. Block.
Oh, yo, my man crazy. Yeah, I love New York, man. Made it, y'all. We outside. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go.
What is it? Fucking scary.
Is it? Oh, it's your boy.
What is it? Okay. You're scaring me. I can't.
Oh, she's nervous. Oh, she's nervous. Oh, she's nervous.
Okay. I got Tengen.
Let's go.
That's his boy, dog.
Let's go. Not one wives, not two wives, but 3 wives.
You were gonna steal this.
Let's go.
I got Tengen.
Let's go. And then imagine they don't charge us or anything.
No, that'll be sick, yeah. That'll be so sick.
Told you to come.
Right. I mean, we already paid $40 to come, so.
I mean, for real.
Why so close?
Hey, look at that big head. Look at that big head.
No, we're not.
Look at that big head.
Waiting in line to get in. They said they said we're gonna get in at like 5 o'clock, so we're waiting about 30 minutes. You excited?
Yeah.
Sir.
Let's go. We made it, bruh. Let's go. We made it. Let's go. Oh, thank you. Let's go. We made it, dog.
Oh, we made it.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Greyhound bus. We made it.
Let's go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Oh my God, taquito. Yo, this is absolutely so sick, bro. It's like the whole movie theater is like closed out and all Demon Slayer themed. So cool. I'm so glad like we ended up going, bro. It's so sick, bro. It's so sick. Oh, there's a boy right there. Oh.
How's everyone doing today? You are in for a real treat today, as we have some very special guests joining us for the screening of Demon Slayer Kimetsu no Yaiba to the Husher training. Just a reminder, this is a special event. There is no photo or video.
Y'all, it is about 3:45 in the morning. 4-hour bus ride back from New York to DC. Then I just dropped my friend off at his house. Now I'm driving home. It was a long bus ride, only because I did not fall asleep at all, which sucked so bad. I was hoping to fall asleep on the bus and waking up in DC, but that didn't happen. So the bus ride felt like long, but I'm going home now. So just want to say thank you guys for watching, and it was very fun. I don't know, or I don't even remember if I was able to tell you guys, but man, the whole theater was like decked out with like Demon Slayer things. Like it was just all themed up with like Demon Slayer stuff. So it was great, and I'm so glad I went, because it's just one of those things where you just want to experience it once in your lifetime, you know. And you know, I met a couple people there that, you know, said like they went to the LA premiere, and like there's some people who came from Arizona just for the New York premiere. So it was cool. And would I do it again? Yeah, I would, but you know, we'll see. I mean, it's just one of those things where like you do it once and it's cool. It's cool to experience. So yeah, but other than that, thank you guys for watching. And yeah, just a quick day trip to New York for the Demon Slayer World New York premiere. So it was great. Oh, and we got to meet the Japanese actors in, you know, the little clip that I just showed. And yeah, they told me to stop recording because obviously it was a special screening, which is very respectable and understandable. So yeah, that was cool too. So but yeah, all right guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you see you in the next video. Peace.